What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we caught this movement to the upside. That brought us about 10% of potential profit. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news and I have to say that we have a lot of news directly related to Tesla and related to the industry in general. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point and I've told you that we almost hit the accumulation point of golden pocket range. Let me switch to daily time frame and zoom out and I will show you what does it mean. From its lowest point on June 2019 to its highest point on November 2021, I pulled the Fibonacci retracement tool from this point to this one, as you can see, and the golden pocket range statistically is the most probable range of trend reversal. And because of this structure, because of the WXY potential structure, we almost hit the golden pocket range. The range in between $165.25 and $152.41, and this might be a very good range of pivot point for this asset, and we almost hit it. Because of this, my main assumption was that probably we might have even reaction from the current ranges that we wore previously. It is $168.4, and you can start to accumulate your position with a tiny amount of your capital. And definitely this brought about 10% of potential profit, as I already mentioned. So what should we expect next and how we can handle the next movement of Tesla, I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. So first of all, let me show you that if you type in Google search bar COVID-0 China, you will find that in China, for now, we can see a lot of protests because of its very strict zero COVID-19 policy. And let me show you the New York Times article. It says protests erupt in Shanghai and other Chinese cities over COVID controls. A chanting crowd called for China's leader Xi Jinping to step down, a rare act of defiance reflecting growing anger after nearly 3 years of lockdowns. And definitely it is not the bullish news for entire Chinese industry, because Shanghai is a huge hub, a huge production hub for the Chinese economy, but also Tesla Shanghai is located in Shanghai, as you can see. And right here we can find new article that was published on November 25th, and it says Tesla Gigafactory Shanghai is operating normally as China tries to prevent COVID-19 spread. And by November 25th, definitely you can find that this plant was operating quite good, but nobody can guarantee that for upcoming week we might see exactly the same results. And GIGA Shanghai is the biggest gigafactory right now in terms of production for Tesla. And if the gigafactory Shanghai will be shut down, definitely Tesla will hurt a lot from this action. And because of this, it might lose a lot of its value again. That's why we have to be very cautious. But let me show you some good news. And on Yahoo Finance on November 25th, we have this article that Tesla Cybertruck hits 1.5 million pre-orders. Definitely it is a very good news in terms of its new model, because all of these pre-orders made with $100 deposit. Definitely it is refundable, but we have to count on this money as the potential free money for Tesla, because it will be about $150 million of free cash flow that is available for Tesla right now only from this source. And it also shows the belief in the Tesla Cybertruck and the potential huge demand for this vehicle when it will hit the roads. And let me show you another quite bullish news. We are on teslarati.com and this article was published just yesterday, and it says Tesla Giga Texas continues to expand drone footage. And let me quote you this. Tesla continues expanding Giga Texas as seen in the drone footage taken by Joe Tegmeyer. The footage was taken on Friday, and Tegmeyer shared his take on the new construction with updated maps. The maps show a sprawling Giga Texas as Tesla continues to build. And because of this footage, definitely it is some kind of similar activity as Barry from Bear's workshop is doing. And because of this footage, we can count or we can basically predict some new updates on Giga Texas. And definitely Giga Texas is the most evolving Giga plant right now, and that's why I think it is quite positive news as well. And let me show you this article. We are on electric.co, and this article was published on November 23rd. And it says, Tesla gets strong Wall Street backing, stopping the stock's free fall. And let me quote you this. Investors started a petition to ask Tesla board to approve a share buyback program, and it now has over 5,000 signatures. There is a chance that it could happen since Tesla CEO Elon Musk said last month that the board was considering a $5 to $10 billion share buyback program. It would be a small help, though, considering that Tesla has erased nearly $500 billion in market capitalization over the last 3 months. But until the board decides on a buyback program, Tesla investors have to rely on another ally to help the stock, Wall Street. With the drop in stock price, several Wall Street analysts have issued notes to clients signaling that the stock is entering buying opportunity levels. And as you can see, they also can see the golden pocket range, and definitely they use technical analysis as well. So Adam Jonas, a Morgan Stanley analyst covering Tesla, sees almost 100% upside on Tesla's stock at this price. He wrote in a new note to clients. In a slowing economic environment, we believe Tesla's gap to competition can potentially widen, particularly as EV prices pivot from inflationary to deflationary. With respect to IRA, we believe Tesla is by far the best positioned OEM in terms of potential eligibility for consumer tax credits up to $7,500 per unit, and for Section 45X production credits up to $45 per kilowatt hour. The current price offers approximately 100% potential upside to our $330 price target, which is the highest upside to target we have seen from Tesla in over 5 years. And definitely it is quite bullish news, especially if we'll take a look on the list of analysts and analytic firms that already made their update. And as you can see, the latest one was made by Citigroup, and previously they had a price target of $141.33, and they set the price target at $176. And at that moment when they set this price target, it was a tiny upside potential of 3.58%. But they upgraded their price target and changed the rating from sell to neutral. This means Citigroup is starting to make some kind of pivot on Tesla, and because of this you can see that a lot of institutional investors heavily added to its position. Like you can see right here, JP Morgan Large Cap Growth Fund class doubled down its position, and for now they owned more than $1.36 billion in value in Tesla stock. On top of that, let me show you another position that iShares S&P 500 Growth ETF also doubled down, and they added more than 218% to its previous position. And right now they own right below $1.3 billion in value in Tesla. And definitely it is a quite bullish sign that a lot of institutional investors just started to add to its position. And this means we are nearing, or we already found a bottom for Tesla stock. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should you do if you want to enter the position? As you can see right here, we had this bounce to the upside for about 10%, and it might be the lowest point for this price section. But I don't think that you should be in a hurry, because technically we also have a possibility to see more price action around the golden pocket range, the range in between $150 and $164. And this means if you entered your position right here with tiny amount of your capital, just wait, because we might see the retracement and you will be able to add to your short-term position on the retracement, or if you're an investor, you will be able to re-enter the position if this asset breaks this previous bottom. And so far, If you want to be more conservative and if you want to have more confirmation as a long-term holder, just wait for the major movement to the upside, then for the major retracement, and in this case we will confirm that this is the lowest point for Tesla's price action. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on